Here's a question that comes up constantly in email marketing. Are email addresses case sensitive? The short answer is technically yes, but practically no. Here's what that means. An email address has two parts, separated by the @ symbol. The domain part, everything after the @ is case insensitive. Gmail.com and gmail.com are treated the same way. The local part, everything before the @ is technically case sensitive according to the original email standard. So John.Smith and John.Smith could theoretically be different mailboxes. But here's the catch. Almost every major email provider, including Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook, treats the local part as case insensitive too. They don't distinguish between uppercase and lowercase letters. What does this mean for your email marketing? For list hygiene, don't worry about normalizing case manually. Mailchimp handles this. When importing contacts, duplicate detection works regardless of capitalization. And when it comes to deliverability, case doesn't affect whether your email lands in the inbox. The practical answer: treat email addresses as case insensitive, clean your list for actual duplicates, and let your ESP handle the rest.